I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9, then I'll pass 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation. I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah.
Okay, I just have to preface this video by saying I do not know what I'm doing, but this is my friend Kylie, and my name is Dacia. Yep, that's me. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, so that's why you're hearing my voice right now. I had to do a few voiceovers because I didn't quite remember to film an intro. Rookie mistake. So anyways, let's get started with the rest of the day. Okay, wow. So thank God this was blurry, but we have to bring all this back to life. So I hopped on Pinterest and found a hair inspo little tutorial, and we're gonna do something similar. The timing of that was really funny.
They're gonna have Botox for $7 a unit. That's crazy.
Wowzer.
That's cheap.
Hey, we need to go to our, or do our, what was it? Our broker and, no. We were trying to think of an event where we did Botox.
Yeah, the Botox. That was in Burgers and Botox on Selling Sunset.
Did they do burgers?
I think she did do burgers. Remember she had In-N-Out Burger Cater, but she had them like custom wrapped.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Oh, that was good. Okay, so I'm just gonna start recording. That's so funny you say that because I had that exact thought the other day because I felt like I was in a funk and I was struggling. Like, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling very inspired or like upbeat, which is usually like my normal. Yeah. Like I'm pretty consistently just like, you know how I am.
You're like, I'm just the ray of sunshine on this planet.
That's usually how I am. And then I was just like in a complete funk. When you're only listening to podcasts all the time, like getting caught up in, sometimes it's a drama on the podcast or it's just like topics that are just not like upbeat and fun kind of thing. Yeah. But like super informational where you're learning a lot. Yeah. But I was like, all right, I had to check myself. And then I started playing music and then I was like, okay, I'm back. But
you have to have that balance, I feel like.
Oh, 100%.
You have to, like, when you're going into a meeting, you have to, like, hype yourself up. Like, yes. I'm the woman, I am this, I can do everything, all the things. Like, I don't know, I used to, like, do one podcast a day, and that was kind of enough. It kind of goes back to, like, the whole school idea. Like, they can teach it to you so many times, you can be in school for so many hours, but your brain will only absorb so much in one sitting or, like, in one day. So I think like one of those and actually giving your brain time to think about it and then giving your brain like the time off, like having the music to pump you up. I think it's a good balance.
100%. Yeah. It's, yeah. Yep, just yep. But yeah, no, it's funny that you said that though, because I literally just had this whole conversation in my head with myself the other day. Yeah. I was like, dude, what is wrong with me? And then I played music, especially Spanish music. That's usually how I get myself there.
I have a playlist.
But this is cute.
Yeah, I have a playlist, Run the World. It's called, my playlist is actually called Lady Balls. Because, you know, we have to have those sometimes. And it's all female artists. And it's all, nothing about, like, men or, like, anything like that. It's all, like, pump up, like, this is my life. Empowering. Yeah, nothing to do, like, with any of that. There is one song, it's Queen. Freddie Mercury is my honorary woman on my playlist. But it's Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. That's the only song that's by a male in this whole playlist, but I love it.
And it's called
like
Queen,
every
so
day.
Yeah. I love this. Yeah. How's your coffee?
It's freaking delicious, man.
Tribe is fire.
It's like
perfect.
I don't even know, like their shots are just like thicker. It's like a thick syrupy shot.
Thick
just
with 3
tastes
C's.
like a thick. It's delicious. Like I'm drinking a milkshake but with non-fat milk.
Oh wow.
Yeah, wow, skinny.
Oh wow. Okay, so today we're headed to go get our nails done.
We're due.
We're overdue.
We're real due.
So we are going to Ridgefield to go get our nails done. Okay. Our befores.
Like grow out. Are you gonna do like green?
No, please don't do green. Actually, that's a pretty green.
I know. I like the. How do they do that?
Slaying
Dang. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Thought you read Kylie Dream ones.
Get your Barbie dream home.
You are indeed a race car driver. I just want to have a good night.
Hold up. I was trying to be secretive.
You know what's funny is I actually noticed that, and then I was like, wait, did you even do it? Couldn't see it.
Yeah. Cause girls is players too. I'm not though, I'm not. Cause girls is players too. We just getting money all around the world. Cause girls is players too.
Okay, so a frequent topic of conversation among a lot of my friends and just people my age are surrounding friendships and making new friends in your mid to late 20s. So this is to give the girlies some hope of the fact that Kylie is now one of my closest and bestest friends, and we met only 2 years ago. At this point, I honestly was content with my friend group or lack thereof. Like, I'm totally game to have 2 or 3 really close friends and keep it at that. Really low maintenance. But I will say, I've talked to a lot of girlies about how hard it is to make new friends or to outgrow your friends and try to establish new friendships, and it can be really challenging. So that is just to give you some hope that there is amazing people that you can connect with at any point in life. Healthy, I am wealthy, I am that bitch. What does that song go? I'm healthy, I am wealthy, I'm so glad my belly is there. Okay, we're live.
Hey guys, so we're at Dollar Tree right now. One of the networking groups that I'm a part of, called the Boss Babes in Vancouver, Washington, is doing a fundraiser for the nonprofit You Can Stop Domestic Abuse. So they're accepting donations of like hygiene items and, you know, trying to make our dollar go a little bit further so we can get more stuff. So we're gonna do like deodorant, toothbrushes, toothpaste, just anything that these women might need, because some of them are coming out of situations where they have to leave with literally nothing. So
Also going to be donating clothes too.
Yep, we're donating clothes. Anything that you have that would normally go to like Goodwill, like kids' clothes, women's clothes, anything like that. We're taking donations for that. And we're doing a car wash fundraiser. And so that's going to be sponsored by Detail Bros. So you know it's going to be a good car wash detail company.
All right, let's pick out some more stuff. Yum! What kind is yours?
It is Asian sesame.
Asian sesame. Love it. So remember at the beginning of this video when I said I didn't know what I was doing? Well, yes, that still in fact stands. So as you can see, I have a cute little blouse on, and oh, would you look at that, a little microphone that is not turned on. So none of my audio recorded, not only for this vlog, but also for the actual reason that we're out there, which was to film some content for social media on new construction properties. So failed mission. However, if you are looking for a home in Southwest Washington or Portland, Oregon, I'd be happy to assist you in new construction or in resale properties. Thank you for joining Kylie and I on this wonderful day off as a realtor and lender. We clearly had a lot of fun today. I will be posting more videos and back weekly, so hold me accountable. I will see you guys. And we might have to unpack what we're talking about in this video that also didn't have any audio, because Kylie's wearing the microphone and I was doing a lot of talking, and we were obviously talking about some wrinkles or something. So Anyway, bye guys. Thanks for watching.